Let's see now the parameters of the lister. This parameter will influence the way the lister will work. You get to here by clicking here on lister configuration. So here we are, the first three parameters, brightness, contrast, and rotate. Like we said in Uniquify, this will influence the way that we'll process what percentage you want to change the brightness, the contrast, and to rotate the image. Large image and product information table. If you click this, we're gonna try to extract extra info from Amazon. Level from Amazon, like big pictures and things like that. It causes the lister to work a little bit slowly. Vero level. Okay, usually it's good to have that about 12. Okay, so you can get Vero level 20 and 30, both for normal lister and for the bulk lister. If you go to the top of the screen, you'll see what the Vero levels mean. Okay, Vero level 30 mean that the Vero word was found on the brand. Okay, for example, if the brand name McDonald's is found and McDonald's is a Vero, and you find that name in the brand tag. Okay, the second higher level is Vero level 20 when the name is, and when McDonald's, for example, is found on the title. Okay, usually you want to avoid these two kinds of Vero. Okay, and then 10 is when the Vero is found on the description with an exact match. Okay, and 5 is very, very low level. You usually don't want to use it. Is when you get a non-exact match on the description. Okay, so usually if you use level 12, it will ignore any Vero that is less than 12. Okay, for example, Vero level 10 will be ignored, Vero level 20 will not. Okay, because it is bigger than 12. Non-official Veros. This is a new parameter. We have a lot of other brands that we are receiving from non-official sources, and if you want us to check also these parameters, click 1. Okay, this is more safety, but in some case will cause you to get Veros for brands that are not really Vero brands, but mostly that the best option is 1. Okay, if you want to fill SKU, if the async, most people don't want it. If you want us to autofill the empty UPC, usually most people want to fill with does not apply in the case that you don't have the UPC. Same for the MPN. You want to fill with does not apply. Here you can upload an image to be used as a watermark. This is very nice. You click here and of course you go there, upload the image and so on. Watermark size, you can change it to be bigger or not. The PayPal, of course, we changed it. So, okay, so this is the PayPal. It's important that you add it here because this is the PayPal that will be used in your lists. The shipping policies number, this will be like a number like something like that, you know, a big number that you get it from inside your eBay account. When you configure the policy, you will put the number here. If you leave it empty, it will use the default. Force immediate pay, usually want that. So if someone want to buy, he need to place the payment immediately. If no, they can buy and then pay later. It's up to you, okay? But if you want they to pay immediately, check this. Where the item is located, you can leave this empty if you are if you are listing from United States. If you are listing, for example, from China, and so you want to fill it here, the code, for example, China is CN. Okay, if you want us to duplicate images, so you click here, then we will be duplicating your images. And if you want to add, like we said, parameter specifics, you can, for example, add whatever parameter you want to be added to any list that you want. For example, taxes, and you add no taxes. Click on add item. Of course, when you finish it, you click on submit item, all items, and you are all done. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.